even if you've criticised your body, which I know I have in my time, your body's actually been working for you all your life, breathing for you, getting your heart to beat, getting you up in the morning. This course that I'm going to be offering is about making friends with your body-mind, in fact. It's a beautiful course created by Osho, called Osho Reminding Yourself of the Forgotten Language of Talking to Your Body-Mind. And we have forgotten. Sometimes we treat our body like a machine, we get angry with it when it doesn't function properly, yet we don't take care of it. For me, this course is the absolute center of self-care. And it's only with self-care that we can be who we're meant to be in the world. It goes over 7 days. It's 1 hour every day for 7 days. And it's a hypnotic process written, like I said, by Osho and guided by my voice. You'll be lying in absolute comfort and deeply relaxed and be able to make that connection with you once more. So if you'd like to ask me anything about it or find out where one of the free taster sessions are near you, or if you'd like to come along and try one of the one-to-one sessions, please just get in touch.